G'day guys, it's Mark from Bike and Mark's 4x4 here. I'm just going to do a quick video of how to adjust your handbrake. Mine's been a bit loose. I'll show you. So it's all the way down and it comes all the way up the top, and you can actually roll the car while it's all the way up. So definitely needs to be adjusted, and I'll just show you quickly how to adjust it. So anyone who's done any sort of interior work on their car will know how painful it can be. You're going to need to get a flat edge screwdriver, start down in this section here where it's not going to be as visible if you manage to accidentally do some damage. And once you pop that, see that top section here came out? It's actually popping out where my gear stick is. It's loosened it up now. You can see the little knobs there. So you loosen all this off. Don't stress too much, they're pretty rugged cars. So that panel, that whole panel there is now loose, and I'm probably going to have to free up my hands and I'll pull this section out. Alright, so now that this section is loose, all you need to do is sleeve it up like so, and I'll show you where the adjustment is. Alright, so the adjustment is that nut and bolt right there. It's actually a size 10. So you're going to need a size 10 deep socket, or you could use a shifter, or you know, whatever you have on hand basically, to adjust it out, and just do a few turns at a time so that you get the adjustment right. Now you'd be better off using a ratchet, but all I've got at the minute is just this impact driver with a socket bit on it. So all I'm doing here is just tightening very, very slowly. So now we'll check that. That's down, that's up. So if you remember before, it actually came up 90 degrees. So that's about where I want it anyway, which is perfect. So we'll put the console back together and see what once you've actually been able to pull this out, it's a lot easier to put back. You know where everything goes, so you don't have to worry about it breaking when you pop it, especially if it's your first time. It's a bit scary. So that's how easy it is. It's all back on now, all the way down, all the way back up. I'll probably even tighten a little bit more. About 9 clicks, but still a hell of a lot better than what it was before. So guys, there you have it, just a quick video for that one. Just trying to get you guys to realize that you can actually maintain your vehicles yourself. If you can't afford it, or you just like doing your own thing, like fixing your house, fixing your car, when you're off-roading and you've got little issues, you want to be able to fix them. Well, I do. So yeah, that's why we do these videos, just to try and get you guys you know, upskilled a bit. So I hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, stay tuned for the next one. Thanks.